Canned cranberry sauce? I'm not a big fan. Homemade cranberry sauce though, that's pretty good. But even after making a batch of this for Thanksgiving, I still ended up with leftovers. I have no more space in my freezer, so let's put this to good use in this cranberry sauce coffee cake. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare your pan. I'm using a 6x6 brownie pan, but you can use any pan you have. Then add 2 eggs to a bowl, along with 200 grams of granulated sugar, and whisk together. This is definitely a workout to do by hand, so you can use an electric beater or a stand mixer. Once it reaches the ribbon stage, add a mixture of 80 grams of buttermilk and 80 grams of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, the zest of 1 lemon, and mix together. Then mix together 195 grams of flour, 1 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then fold the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. And be careful not to overmix. Add your batter to your pan. And then add your homemade cranberry sauce on top. If you don't have homemade cranberry sauce, you can use the canned version. Swirl this through with a toothpick and bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. And voila! Now tap 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 to release your cake and let it cool completely on the wire rack. Add your favorite topping. I'm adding some homemade whipped cream and some extra cranberry sauce. And dig in. This is so easy to make, guys. It is sweet and tart, full of cranberry flavor, and most importantly, you won't have to throw away your leftovers. So please go ahead and give this recipe a go, and do let me know in the comments how it came out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like these. Thanks for watching.